Hello students, today I am going to explain concept of sacrificing ratio. This is topic of chapter admission of a partner. As we know, whenever there is an admission of a new partner, old partner have to surrender some of their old share in favor of the new partner. It means whenever a new partner is admitted, old partner have to give some part of their profit in favor of new partner. I'm explaining it with an example. Let's say profit of a firm is 120 and ratio is 1 is to 1. So A will get 60 and B will get 60. But now a new partner C is admitted and the new profit sharing ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So now A will get 40, that is 120 into 1 by 3. B will get 40 and C is also getting 40. As you can see, previously A was getting 60 but now he is getting 40. So he is sacrificing 20. Same for B. B was previously getting 60. Now he is getting 40. He is also sacrificed 20. So we can say sacrificing ratio is equals to old ratio minus new ratio. In this case, we can see that A was getting 60 but now is getting 40. So he is sacrificing 20 and B is also sacrificing 20. Now one more example. In this example there were three partners A, B and C and the old ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2, but now C is admitted and their new ratio is 3 is to 2 is to 2 is to 3. As you know, formula of sacrificing ratio is old minus new ratio. So old share of A is 5 by 10 and new share of A is 3 by 10. So the formula of sacrificing ratio is old minus new ratio. So for A, old ratio is 5 by 10 minus new share, that is 3 by 10. So he is sacrificing 2 by 10. Now for B. B's old share is 3 by 10 and new share is 2 by 10. So he is sacrificing 1 by 10. Now for C, old share is 2 by 10 minus new share is also 2 by 10. So in this case, C is not sacrificing anything. So the sacrificing ratio is 2 by 10 is to 1 by 10, that is 2 is to 1 ratio. Now another example. In this case, there were three partners X, Y and Z and their ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 2. Now one more partner P was admitted for 1/10 share of profit. So for calculating sacrificing ratio, we need old ratio as well as new ratio. But in this question, new ratio is not given to us. So we will calculate new ratio. In this case, we assume the the total profit be 1. The share of P is equals to 1 by 10. So what firm will do? Firm will give 1 by 10 share to P and the remaining share means total profit is 1 and 110 will be given to P. So the remaining share after giving profit to P is 1 minus 1 by 10, that is 9 by 10. Now this remaining profit will be distributed in old partner in old ratio. So new share of X is 9 by 10 into 4 by 9. 9 by 10 is equals to remaining share of profit and into 4 by 9 is old share of profit, that is 4 by 9 is equals to 36 by 90 and new share of Y is 9 by 10 into 3 by 10, that is 27 upon 90 and share of Z is 9 by 10 into 2 by 9, that is 18 by 90. Now new ratio is 36 by 90 is to 27 by 90 is to 18 by 90 is to 1 by 10. So the new ratio is 36 is to 27 is to 80 is to 9. Now we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. As we have already know, the formula of sacrificing ratio is equals to old minus new ratio. So for x, old share is 4 by 9 minus new share, that is 36 by 90, is equals to 4 by 90. Now for x, old share is 3 by 9 minus new share 27 by 90 is equals to 3 by 90. And for z, old share 2 by 9 minus new share 18 by 90 is equals to 2 by 90. So the sacrificing ratio is 4 by 90 is to 3 by 90 is to 2 by 90 is equals to 4 is to 3 is to